Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I forgot to film an intro again. Fellow YouTubers, does this happen very often? Is it just one of those days? What's going on? I'm gonna remember. I usually do remember, but today I guess it's just one of those days. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna be talking about, oh, there's Nikki. Hi. Today, we're going to be talking about some new products that I picked up. They are not necessarily new to the market, but they're new to me. And I picked them up and wanted to test them out with you guys and show you guys how they look on me. So if that sounds like something that's interesting to you, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm coming at you looking a little wonky. So I don't have any new eyeshadow, any new base or anything like that. So I used some Sydney Grace eyeshadows to create this look. I'll link the shade names down below. I went in with my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate foundation because of the new concealer that I picked up. I picked up the Tom Ford Emotionproof concealer. I have been wanting to try this for a really long time and finally caved and picked it up, and it's like one of the one things that they had. Oh, look at this applicator. Wow. Okay, that's fun. I digress. It's one of the one things that they actually had in stock at my mall yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this while I'm talking. So yeah, I went to the mall, you guys, for the first time in quite some time. Where's my sponge? Oh, there it is. Okay. So for the first time in quite some time, obviously. And it was one of the most terrifying things I think I've ever experienced. And I do not say that lightly, okay? But no one was wearing them. The mall was so damn crowded. Granted, I don't have like a Saks or anything like that. Our fanciest store is like a Dillard's. Dillard's was not bad, okay? I will say that much. Dillard's was not bad. When I was in the actual like mall part, where all the stores are and everything, not like a department store outside or anything like that, it was, oh my God, y'all, it was chaos and it was really, really terrifying. So, I'll go back to Dillard's. I went in Sephora. Sephora wasn't bad, but getting to Sephora from Dillard's was where I was scared for my life, because just no respect, no, I don't know. It was just terrifying, y'all. So I'd go back to Dillard's, but I'd enter through Dillard's. I'd go back to Sephora, but drive my car and enter through Sephora and not have to walk through the whole mall, because holy shit, it was crazy. But anyways, I picked up some nice products. This is a really pretty concealer, y'all. I really do like it. What do we think? And the shade is really, really nice. I really like it. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna blend these in with my finger, just because when I'm testing a new concealer, I just like to see how it's gonna perform, under my eyes and to cover up blemishes. Okay, that was weird. Oh, well, it kind of set down, I guess. Oh my God. Okay, so I wasn't even thinking. It's like that Emotionproof or whatever. I usually let my concealer sit for a minute before going in to cover up my blemishes. I'll let it sit on there for a second, but it's Emotionproof, so I bet you that's why it did that. Oh, and I forgot to mention another Teresa is Dead influenced me purchase. I primed my eyes today with this Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and because she said she likes it to prime her eyes, and I really liked it. It's really nice. I ran out of my Smashbox one, and apparently we don't have Smashbox anymore at my Sephora. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and try that. Maybe I'll use this to cover up my blemishes. Let's see. Let's see how it works. We're just gonna experiment, okay? Okay. Just gonna go in with my finger. Oh. Whoops. So that might have been a little too much. Oh, okay, well that's pretty. Sorry, this might be a weird noise. Huh. We'll see how the concealer does. I didn't get a new setting powder or anything like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with I think I'm gonna use the Clé de Peau translucent setting powder today, and I'll be back to do bronzer. Okay, so I set my face with the Clé de Peau translucent setting powder. I set under my eyes a little bit. Also went ahead and finished up under my eyes with my eyeshadow, just because, like I said, it's nothing new. So next I'm gonna go in with bronzer. Now, I picked up, finally, this Dior Forever Natural Bronze. Look at this packaging. It is literally like quilted and cushy. Cushiony, whatever. I picked it up in the shade 05. Here it is. Okay, so I had to go back and watch one of Jen's videos. If you haven't checked her out, her channel is All Feisty. She's fantastic. And she mentioned in one of her videos that in the US, we weren't getting the lower and lighter shades, that we were getting like 5 and up. And I think that she's right. Because again, my Dillard's, it sucks, but this is the lightest shade that they had, is 5. And I swatched it and I was like, okay, well, maybe it'll work for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's really creamy though on my arm for y'all, okay? We've said before, I'm translucent. So that's the swatch, okay? Which honestly, it's not that bad. It's really, really not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this BK Beauty 103 brush instead of like my typical more dense bronzer brush. And I wanna see how it works. I'm not gonna pick up much. I'm really, really tapping it off, y'all, because I am a little concerned with this 5 shade. But Jen in her video used shade 4 and it looked beautiful. So I'm hoping that this will work. Okay, I mean, when I tell you I have like the smallest amount on, I have the smallest amount on. Okay, maybe I tapped too much off. Let's see, it's so creamy and pretty though. Okay, let's see y'all. Let's see how this is gonna work if my hair would get out of the way. Okay, well, are y'all seeing this? Okay, it's going down a little too far. I'll clean it up with my beauty blender. I always do this. I'll take it and just clean up underneath in case it comes down too far. Okay, well, let me move my hair out of the way so y'all can see. That's nice. I mean, it's not terrible. I don't think I could use much more than that. And maybe I will see like how it looks in natural lighting. You know what? We're gonna do an experiment. Let me grab my typical bronzer brush, the Sonia G Classic Face Brush, and I'm gonna go in with that just to see. Okay, it is a little dark, and y'all, I think I got a mosquito bite. I think that's what that is on my cheek, because it itches like crazy. Let me pick up a little more. Okay, we're getting adventurous. I'm picking up a little more. I just want to see how this builds and how it does. Okay, y'all, that's not awful for being shade 5. And honestly, it does fine with this brush. This brush isn't too densely packed. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, well, that's actually really nice. And that's shade 5. That's really crazy, actually. Okay. So I'm actually going to go finish up my bronzer off camera, like put it on my forehead, and I'll let y'all know if I add any more on my cheeks, but I mean, it's really not that bad. So let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished with my bronzer. I added a little bit of blush too while I was at it because I didn't get a new blush. It's just this Colourpop Belle blush. I know it's not luxury, it's not high end, but like I said before, I'm a sucker for Disney. It is a very pretty blush though. So what do we think of this bronzer? I mean, please just excuse this giant mosquito bite. I'm the person that gets bit. Like, I can walk outside for a second and I will be bit. So I don't know where this came from. But what do we think of the bronzer? It's really not bad. I'm kind of shocked considering it's shade 5. I don't know what the conspiracy is with all of that, but I actually kind of like it. What do we think? Y'all give me your honest opinion. Does it look okay? Is it too dark? I want to know. So next, y'all, I finally picked up this Kosas brow gel. And I'm so, like, this packaging is just to die for. Oh, I love it. I picked it up in the shade Taupe. I thought that I was going to be the shade light brown, but I'm really glad that I was able to see it in the store because the light brown was pretty dark. But this looks kind of light, so we're gonna see. Y'all, I finally picked this up. I'm so excited to use it. Y'all know how much I love my Tom Ford Fiber Brow Gel, but I hear a lot of people who like that one saying that they like this one too. So let's see, we're gonna go for it. I'm so excited to finally get my hands on this. Oh my gosh, okay, well, so far so good. I think that this shade's okay. I'm glad that I got this shade already and not the light brown. That probably would have looked a little wonky. It's definitely a more wet formula than the Tom Ford. I know there's like a million reviews on this stuff already. Okay, well that's nice. I really like that. Now, as far as how it holds or anything like that, I don't know. Let me go ahead and do this eyebrow. I didn't dip it back in the tube because, like I said, it does feel kind of wet. So I don't want to get too much on the brush. But man, it is really, like, when I'm brushing them up, they are really sticking. Huh. Okay. That's really nice. Now, as for the hold, I don't know. Maybe I'll leave a pinned comment down below. But I think the shade is nice. It's really weird because in the tube, it almost looks like it's got like a little shimmer in it. I was a little concerned, but I kind of like it. It's kind of nice. Okay, so I also picked up a new mascara. I finally picked up this Lancome, what's it called? Lash Idole mascara. Y'all, I'm not gonna do my mascara on camera. I'm sorry. I'm not that comfortable yet, maybe one day, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna do one eye and then come back and show y'all what it looks like as compared to the eye with nothing on it. So let me go do that and I'll be back. Okay, so here's one eye with the mascara. The other eye doesn't have anything. I haven't curled them or anything. It's okay. Maybe, I mean, I'll play with it more. It's definitely, you know, my lashes look pretty, don't get me wrong. I just don't feel like it was very lengthening. I don't know, what do y'all think? I'm looking down, maybe look to the side a little bit, like, I don't know, what do y'all think? It's a wet formula too. I don't know what it is with these wet formulas today, but that's where we're at. It's pretty though, I mean, I like it, and I'm definitely gonna use it and keep playing with it. Y'all know that my holy grail is this, I mean, I don't shut up about it, this Chantecaille Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. I feel like that one is more lengthening, but maybe, you know what, maybe I'll play with this brush. I'm not used to this kind of brush. It's one of those, here, let me show you, as if you haven't seen it already. It's like a curved brush, and it's got like the rubbery bristles. I kind of used all sides of it, but maybe I'll play with it a little bit more and let y'all know my thoughts over on Instagram once I play with it more, which if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. So yeah, let me go finish this eye off camera and I'll be back to do lips. Okay, so I finished up the other eye. I don't hate the mascara, y'all. It's a nice mascara. And I think once I play with it more and use the wand maybe in a different way, I think I'll like it more, but I'll keep y'all posted. So next, or last but not least, I got a sample of the, y'all, the Dior lip glow in, I think I got a sample of like 4 of the shades, but I saw the shade Rosewood and I wanted to try it out. Now, I'm just gonna use my finger since it's a little sample. I had the pink one, when I say ages ago, y'all, I mean ages ago. And I remember liking it. That was really where I was like into makeup and stuff. But, so yeah, I saw this Rosewood shade and I thought it was really, really pretty. Now, it came with a little like, brush, but I'm just gonna use my fingers and try to not get it all over my freaking face. What the heck? I know people rave about these, but it's just been a while. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oops. Hope y'all could have seen that. Ooh, okay, I like this shade. Oh, that's a pretty shade, y'all. What do y'all think? It is a really pretty shade. That's the Rosewood shade. It looks so much darker in the little thing. Look at that. Look, gross little sample. It looks so much darker, but like on my lips, it's really pretty. I like it. Okay, so that's the lips, that's the look. What do we think, y'all? Okay, y'all, so that's the finished look. I think out of all the products that I picked up, I think my favorite probably so far is that brow gel. I really like it so far, y'all. We'll see. We shall see. Will it replace my Tom Ford Fiber Brow Gel? Honestly, I kind of hope so because it's a lot cheaper and my wallet would appreciate it. And I also, it doesn't surprise me, but I really like the sample of this little Dior lip glow. I might have to pick up the full size at some point. It's really nice. So let me know, do you have any of these products? Do you like them? Do you love them? Do you hate them? I'd love to hear from you. So yeah, if you like my channel, please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content. And again, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. And comment down below. I'd love to talk to y'all. So again, thanks for watching and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.